Hello, today we will guide you through how to record vendor discounts in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll use the vendor credit form to capture a discount from a supplier so it flows cleanly into your payables and reports. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your dashboard. At the top left of the screen, hover over the Create or New button to open the full list of transaction types. From that menu, choose Vendor Credit. This tells QuickBooks you're entering a reduction to what you owe a supplier, such as an early payment discount or a courtesy credit. On the vendor credit screen, click the vendor field and select the supplier who issued the discount. Be sure you choose the same vendor that appears on the original bill. Just below, review the mailing address details shown for that vendor. QuickBooks usually fills this in automatically. It's fine to leave it as is, but take a moment to confirm it matches your records for consistency. Next, move to the Category Details section. Click under Category and pick the expense or cost account that was used on the original bill. For example, if the initial bill was coded to office supplies, choose that same account here. This keeps your financials accurate by reducing the same bucket you charged in the first place, rather than scattering the adjustment elsewhere. Now click in the Amount field and enter the discount as a positive number. QuickBooks treats the entire line as a credit, so you don't need to type a minus sign. Make sure the amount reflects only the discount portion, not the full bill total. If you see a customer or project column and the original expense was tied to a specific customer or job, select the same customer here. That keeps job costing and billable tracking aligned. If the expense wasn't linked to a customer, simply leave this blank. Before you finish, give the form a quick review. Vendor name, category, and amount should all match your intent. The date of the vendor credit should reflect when the discount was granted, so it lands in the right reporting period. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your vendor credit is now recorded and will be available the next time you go to pay that vendor's bill. QuickBooks will let you apply the credit to reduce the amount you owe, ensuring your payment reflects the discount and your books stay accurate. That's all there is to it. Clean, consistent, and ready for your next payment cycle.